So today I'm going to show you how to make a very special kind of golden milk. This one, in addition to the usual turmeric, we're kind of replacing that, and we're going to be using Sailor's Cure-All tea. So Sailor's Cure-All is a blend that we make, and it's a combination of turmeric and ginger and a type of seaweed called Bladderwrack. All three ingredients are digestive aids. All three ingredients are anti-inflammatory. In addition, the seaweed has tons of a really broad spectrum of minerals, something like 60 different minerals. It's got antioxidants, it has omega-3s, vitamins, essential aminos, so all sorts of great things. We've brewed a pot here, and here's one way to make it. I'm going to just fill it up about halfway with the tea. As you can see, that's just this beautiful, rich golden color. And then we're going to add our the milk part, which is half coconut milk and half, you could do like some sort of nut milk if you want, something like that. And here you go. You've got just a beautiful, delicious, and I'm going to say even more nutritious than your standard golden milk. If you want, you can, add some more turmeric to taste.